Hello, welcome to my channel, Gold Spice. Today we will prepare homemade, simple, easy party dessert. 2 orange, cut and collect juice. Orange juice 400 milliliters. Gelatin 1½ tablespoon, and agar-agar powder 1/4 teaspoon. Now add 1/3 cup of orange juice and mix well. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Now cut the fruits. Red grapes. Cut into small pieces. Golden raisins, cut into small pieces. Then add with remaining orange juice and mix well. Keep aside. Oil greased mold. Assemble of fruits. Pour the orange juice. And keep it in the fridge until set. Homemade party treats. Quick and easy recipe. Friends, if you like the recipe, please subscribe. Thanks. See you soon.